best thing of all time. You the best thing of all nights. The best thing in all skies. You the best thing on no flight.
不是身痒痒，是手痒。
Hello, ghost time.
Jesus!
Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. I just want to ask you a question concerning this coronavirus. Coronavirus? Oh, no. So let's talk about the corona. What do you understand about corona?
Yeah. Corona, it be like something made they pursue person.
You are a condemned. What is
As
it?
you be now, you dey pursue me, they go his house. You dey pursue me, you be like dog, me they pursue me, they go his house. You dey pursue me, that's what corona mean. Because according to science, the science say corona is like the atmosphere, like the breeze. You know, say breeze every time the breeze enter body. Now so coronavirus be. As the breeze, they pursue you. As the breeze, they pursue you. So coronavirus be. Thank you.
Okay, if you say so. What about the virus?
Yeah. Various. You know, as corona they try to carry people enter us, as they try to pursue them, as they try to get rid of the people, you know fit. Now virus as a friend, so you come meet them, they come plan, you understand? Virus and corona, they come plan together. Virus come to say, he go they enter people body, he go they kill them. As he go they kill them, corona they pursue them, they enter us. Corona, they pursue them, they enter us. So that's so come. As they come kill them, that make virus they kill them. That's so corona they pursue them. As they enter body, corona they pursue them, enter us. That make they call coronavirus because they are two joined together. They want pursue people go and say, hey, you understand? But wait, which one can be COVID-19?